So guys, welcome back to MacArthur Industries Group. We've just got one of our clients that's coming here today with his Zone Caravan and his Ram, and he's coming to both sides of things. So he's come to AllBrand Caravan Services to get some work done, and also come to Sandgate to get some work done. So as we go through this and chat about it, what he's done is a few upgrades of what he want to do with the electrics, and also have things serviced. So what we wanted to make sure, and we're going to show you here today, and I'll get Matty to come over here, is Zone themselves are doing a great job in the marketplace, as we all know, is a standardisation of being up here in the marketplace and making sure things are documented, understandable, and while you're out the road you can find things, which I really appreciate them as a manufacturer. And the other things that we can do for them as well as is servicing, fiberglass repairs and all this sort of stuff here in-house. But if you want to come over here, Matt, we'll show you what's going on. So what this client has asked for is he wanted to sort of step up his system and still wanted to use the integral side of things of Red Arc Electronics, Australian-made product, which is excellent, and he wanted to upgrade things like some DC-DC charging. He hasn't, some of the new stuff that's out there, he didn't have the room to put in. So what we've done is upgraded some solar systems for him, fitted a new DC to DC 50 out of the Red Arc range for him, which is already in here, but we actually put a secondary one on there for him, as well as to sort of make it that when he is driving along, he's got his BMS unit of 30 amps that he wanted to sort of bring back down into just a 30 amp charge rate, and then have his solar output where he's separating his solar panels and having 50 on one and 50 on the other to be able to give the opportunity to get the best output of solar, and also when he's travelling to make sure he's got opportunities where if something does go wrong, he's got two options. So please guys, if you're thinking about anything to do with solar, lithium, upgrades, and just not Red Arc Electronics, even though we're part of the Red Arc network and we get all that sort of stuff for you and help you out with it, all situations we deal with your Victrons, Drives, all those people as well, which are really fantastic in the marketplace and here to help you. So guys, need any work done in your zones? People to come and see in Brisbane, we're here to help you. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.